Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the LED control board in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the base grill forward to remove. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the circuit board access panel. Cut the retaining tape if necessary, then use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tab to detach the plastic cover. Next, disconnect the 3 wire connectors from the LED control board. Lift the upper tab to release the old board. Install the new LED control board by snapping it into place in the housing. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the new board. Align and snap the plastic cover into place. Replace the access panel and thread the screws to secure. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the base grill by aligning the ends of the grill with the leveling assemblies, then snap the grill into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.